What's up, everybody? You here with your boy Oz'mosis, HMI Buzz, and I'm sitting next to Tanie Boutique. So we here to talk about the boutique and everything that's in store. So Tanie, what's going on? How you doing?
Hi, how are you?
I'm very well.
My name is Tanie.
Tanie.
I go by Tanie, and you guys know me as Tanie Charles and or Tanie Boutique.
Well, tell them why we're sitting down here.
Today we're here to talk about my online shop luncheon party. It's gonna be this Saturday, the 7th of July.
Okay, Saturday 7th. So you're launching a brand, right? Or
Yes,
a shop. You have a shop. So basically you sell.
I sell everything. It's a boutique. I sell anything I think that can go out there. It's gonna be on the boutique. I sell clothes, I sell accessories, I sell shoes, I sell beauty stuff, makeup, and skincare product. I sell all.
Oh wow!
Yes.
So basically, you're launching the online store, and then these are all the things that people can find on the store. What inspired this?
I started it doing like the facial thing. I'm a esthetician licensed and a massage therapist. So I was more focusing on massage and facial. That's how I get to it. And then after that, I was doing makeup. You guys know me as a makeup artist, Tanie's Makeup. And I was thinking maybe I should do some more because most of my clients, they always asking me to buy them product, to buy them makeup. So I was like, okay, if I'm doing your makeup, you want a product, what about I sell and then you can buy it from me? And you guys know me, I love fashion, I love clothes, I love looking good. So I have clothes for sale. So I bring everything to the store and come out with Tanie's Boutique where you can find everything.
Now you're gonna have to tell me where that love comes from for fashion.
Where it's coming from?
Yeah.
I think it's coming from God because I think I'm beautiful and I need to look good. People always tell me I look good. They love the way I dress, so I think I can bring what I have in me to the other people.
So the boutique basically you're selling your taste.
Yes.
Okay, so when people go out, females mostly.
Mostly females. I do have a few things for male,
Really?
but I'm not into that yet because when it comes to male, it's not that easier as the women.
Really?
So it's a best taste. So I want something really good for the men, so I don't have that yet, but it's coming.
It's coming.
Yes.
So that event is coming on July 7th, which is probably just around the corner, right?
Yes.
What people should expect at the event? What's gonna be going on at the luncheon?
Expecting a lot of fun. Just come to have fun and meeting other people.
So you're selling the stuff on site? Are you gonna be selling some of the stuff?
Yes. So for everybody that's been waiting for Tanie's Boutique, so I know some of you guys already purchased a lot of stuff from me by phone number, but the website should be up for next week. And that day, if you here, you're gonna get everything that you want in store for 50% off. We will be selling everything for 50% off that day.
So you mean people who come to the launching party, they'll be
Yes.
able to get 50% off whatever they
Yes,
buy?
yes.
Some of the most beautiful dresses that I just saw,
Yes,
you guys
and
capturing images of?
Everything will be 50% off. You will be spending the most $25. I will have stuff for $5, $10, $15, $20, $25. You would not spend more than $25 to get a dress or anything you want in
So
store.
I know boutiques, so your stuff affordable. They're
For
not like
now, they
500.
are.
Oh,
Because my stuff are like, they okay price.
Yeah.
But in my luncheon party, I will be fair for everybody.
Oh, so you're basically doing that for the party.
Yes.
Okay. So Tanie, so I know you got a lot of other things going on, you know what I mean? So you talk about the makeup, you're also a makeup
Yes,
artist.
I'm a makeup artist.
And then now the boutique gonna be online. So how do you balance that with life and everything else going on?
it's kind of the same thing.
Okay.
Everything falls out together. Yeah, I do your makeup and then hey, I got clothes. You doing a photo shoot? You might find something on my boutique. Go ahead and pick something.
Okay.
You know, everything fall out together.
So we're inviting everybody to come out to this launching, and I know we're gonna be talking more about some of the things that you got going on, but this is strictly about the part of the launching that's coming in, you launching the online store, and I ask everybody to go and support, especially when you see a young lady basically trying, follow the path of entrepreneurship, so I would definitely encourage everybody to go and support. I'm gonna be there. Scent Mike gonna be there. I'm gonna invite a few more people to come, and buy some and try some of the products that you have. Again, it was a pleasure to have you. Anything else you want to relate to the people?
We will have a fashion show at the event. You will see some beautiful ladies, some sexy looking ladies modeling Tanie's boutique clothing on that day.
So all the clothes that you're gonna be selling, you're gonna have some people, you're gonna have the girls wearing some of them.
Yes, they were wearing some of them so you can see how they really fit.
Okay, so when we go to the website, not only you see the pictures of the dresses, but you also see some models wearing some
everything real.
Okay, everything real. Okay, awesome. I'm very excited for you, and I mean, I can't imagine what it's like to start something and want to see it come to fruition.
Yes.
And anything else you want to relate to the people?
Not really, just exciting to meet all of you guys, and make sure you share the news with somebody and bring someone.
All right.